creating your first Countdown assignment. To access Countdown, log into your account and click on the Countdown icon in your school list, or if you have a personal subscription, click on Countdown in the sidebar. Next, click on the Start button that appears. Once the form loads, type in a name for your assignment. Select the fact levels that you would like your students to practice. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page to preview the list of facts. You can narrow your selection by clicking on the fact families that you would like to target or exclude. But this step is optional. Next, set the number of facts that you would like your students to practice. Then set how long you would like each fact to be displayed. Once you are ready, simply click the Save button. The system will then save your assignment and a random assortment of facts will be created based on your selection.